guys, a very happy morning to one of you. And guys, today we are going to see the general aptitude section, and today we are going to see so much interesting thing in the general aptitude. Okay, especially we are just going to see about the arithmetic progression and the geometric progression. So and a little bit of extra thing also we are just going to see. So I don't want you to miss the class because so much of gate question as well as a lot of central government exams questions also been asked in this. So okay, so without wasting time, let us get started. Okay guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ringaku. Let us get started. So you can see first one, it is sequence and series. Okay, so the first one, sequence and series. Sequence and series means, I think so you know, sequence means just arrangement of number in a particular order. It means 2 3 5 like that. Each and everything is been continuously arranged. So next, what is series? Series means it is sum of terms of sequence. Here is called series. Sum of terms of sequence. Okay, so this I will just explain you later on, because while the real example is coming, I will just explain you. And next one is progression. So progression, you can see a sequence is said to be in a progressive if it is represented in mathematical form. For example, 1 2 3 4 like that. So for example, you can see 1 here 2 here 3, here you can see plus 1 so plus 1. So you can see 1 plus 1 2, so 2 plus 1 3, so 3 plus 1 4. So like that it's been going in a serious way. Okay? And the other thing, you can see each and everything. Suppose if 1 plus n and 2 plus n and 3 plus n, so like this, if we gave any kind of mathematical formula, I mean, that is called as progression. Okay, I think so you got the point. So in this thing, literally there are 3 examples. So you can see first, what is the first one? Progression. First one is arithmetic progression, next one is geometric progression, next one is harmonic progression. Okay, so what is arithmetic progression? So you can see arithmetic progression, what has been there. So arithmetic progression is generally, it means you can see a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 3d. So you can see d is been the amount, it means number is been adding. So what will be the final term? A plus of n minus of 1 of d. Okay, this is the final term. So if in the question, if they ask, okay, what is the last term, it means s of 50 they ask, means you just put the first number, will just they will give, and a plus of n minus of 1 of d. It means the last number if they ask, means we can easily calculate by this. Okay, I think so you got the point. So what a is the first term. Okay, next d is the common difference. Okay, t is a common difference. So I think so you get the point. So last number is a plus n minus of 1 of d. Okay, so in this thing you can see, so you can see what is the a50. It means suppose 2 4 6, it means each and everything is given. So what is the 50th term? So literally it's so much difficult to calculate the 50th term. So instead of going to measure the 50th term, just wait 1 second, I'll just go like this. Now it's better and perfect. Okay, so instead of going to the 50th term, what we'll just do, we will just take this equation a plus n minus of 1 of d, and we will just put. So you can see the 50th term is 100, we can just get it directly. Okay, so next thing you can see, if d is positive, then arithmetic progression is increasing. If d is negative, then arithmetic progression is decreasing. Okay, so next one you can see, this is a plus k means increasing, a minus k is decreasing. That's it. So you can see, it means also if any constant is given, you can see k of a, k of b and k of c. For example, it's 2 4 8 16, and you can see into 2 into 2 into 2 like that. Okay, so next one, division of the 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 16 divided by 2. So common difference is 1 by 2. Okay, I think so you're getting the point. So this is will be an arithmetic progression. So next time you can see, if 3 terms are in AP. Okay, just as this is also most important. If generally in the question also will ask 3 terms are in AP, means that's a simple thing, a plus d, a as well as a minus of 1. Okay, this it means 3 terms are in arithmetic progression. Suppose if 5 terms means a plus 2d, and it means a plus d, a minus of d, a minus of 2d. Okay, I think sure you got the point. Suppose if they ask about 3 term means, this is also a simple example. You can a minus 3d and a minus d, a plus of d and a minus plus of 3d. Okay, I think so you got the point. Okay, so next thing you can see, this also comes in this way. Okay, it means, I think so you can understand. So if they asked about this sum of total number, means s of n equal to n divided by 2 times of a plus of n minus of 1 of d. Okay, see guys, some of the things you need to definitely mark up, because these are the formulas that you definitely need to keep in your mind. Okay, so let us see the sum, because let us see the sum. So while we are seeing the sum, we can just find it easily. So you can see here, So they just asked to find the sum of first 20th term of AP. Okay, you can see it means, guys, it means how to say, means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So they are asking the 20th number, anything will be, we don't know what is the 20th number, and they are asking the addition of this. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. So literally you can see how much difficult it is. So instead of going, it means a normal way, by instead of calculating in hand, just a formula is enough. That formula is this one. Okay, S of n equal to n divided by 2 a plus of l. Okay, so what is the last term? As I just told you, what is the last term? So last term value you can find a plus n minus of 1 of d. Okay, so put here n by 2 a plus of n minus of 1 of d. Okay, you can see what is in a is 2. So what is the n? So they ask 20th terms, 20 divided by 2. So a 2a will be 2 times of 2 plus of 20 minus of 1 of d is how much? 2. Okay, that's it, you can calculate. So 420 will be the answer. Okay, I think so you're getting the point. So you can go for the next one. So you can see the question is given 15, 13, 11 and this one. So what, just 1 second. Okay. So I can see here it's been decreasing. Okay, find the maximum sum of AP, arithmetic progression. So what will be the thing? So you can see here, while it means 2 2, while it's been going, the final will be 0. Okay, but they haven't asked up to what term the sum of AP is maximum. So definitely it will be, it means 1 or 0, it means what term they are asking. So we can easily calculate 15 like that. You just put means how much, 8th term will be the maximum amount. Okay, you can suppose if you just go, it means minus 2 minus 4 means what will happen? It means the value will be keep on decreasing so much. So we no need like that kind of thing. Okay, I think so you're getting the point. So you can see last term we can just take 0 or 1, whatever the thing, definitely the answer will be. Okay, suppose if you just take the last term is 1, so it means what I just told you, a, it means the last term is a plus of n minus of 1 of d. Okay, last term you can see this one, you just put on 1 equal to what is a is 15 plus of n, we don't know, n minus of 1 of d is how much? 2. So 1 minus of 15 equal to this one minus 14 divided by 2 n minus of 1. So you can see 7 will come. So minus 7 equal to n minus of 1. Okay, so if you put minus 7 plus 1 equal to n, so n will be 6th term. But you can see actually whether it comes in 6th term. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you can see now we need to take the final term as 0. Okay, while we are just taking the final term as 0, each and everything will come as it is. Okay, yes, literally we need to appreciate what is the mistake. See, we have just taken d as 2, but see here minus 2, it's been decreasing, so minus 2. See guys, little bit of mistake also, it's so much complicated. So here minus 2, minus gets cancelled. So this is plus of 7. So you can see this will come n equal to 8. See what's the mistake? Simply it's like a foolish mistake we are just doing. Okay, so either you can also take it means 0 or 1. Suppose if you just take 0 means what will be the 8.5 will be the answer, and we can just maximum. Okay, so maximum sum means just addition. So maximum sum is s of n equal to, what's the thing, n by 2 a plus of l. Okay, n by 2 a is a plus of n minus of 1 of d. Okay, so what is the n term? So n is 8 by 2 and 2 times of 15 and plus of 8 minus of 1 of d is how much? D is minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Okay, now we will just put means we will just get the answer. Okay, so next one is arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean. Suppose there are a lot of number, guys, we really don't know what is the mean. Mean means just an average. So just calculating of the average and you are just putting. So arithmetic mean is a plus of b divided by 2. Okay, arithmetic mean is a plus of b divided by 2. Okay, I think so you got the point. Okay, so it means see, suppose most of the time while the problem is going, if I just explain you at the time means it will be so much understandable to you. Okay, So it means this is normal term. We can see all n term is added. So this is not. So I'll just explain this one later on. So if I just told you now, it will be a little bit difficult. That's it. So next one you can just see about the geometric propagation proportion. So GP. So GP is generally mostly will be a multiplication a r square, a r cube, a r power 4, and goes on a r power n minus half 1. Okay, I think so you got the point. So this is the last term. So last term equal to a r n minus half 1. Okay, I think so you got the point. So first term is a and the common difference is r, and the last term is a r n minus half 1. Okay, so you can see 2, 4, 8. So 2 times of multiplication each and every time. Okay, suppose if they asked about what is the fourth term, so what will be the fourth term? So this is a normal example. So a is 2, difference r is 2, and n is fourth term. Okay, so a is 2, r is 2, n minus 1, so 4 minus of 1, so 2 into 2 power 3, so 2 into 8, so equal to 16. So simple thing. Okay, I think you got the point. So the same thing also goes. Okay, you can see division also goes. You can see division is been going as it is, and r should be greater than 1 or less than 1, but it should not be equal to 1. So equal to 1 means it's a waste of time. Okay, so the next thing you can see, if then other thing also, this is also one of the important thing that you just wanted to note. Okay, if you can see it's going to infinite. Okay, infinite they are asking, so can we just find the infinite value? You can see guys, infinite means the answer will be infinite. So like this kind of thing we can't measure. Okay, I think so you got the point. So next thing you can see 125 means the value is been decreasing. So at the certain of point, so 1 divided by 5000 means what will come? It's approximately equal to 0, 0, something will come. So it turns to 0. So for this, yes, infinite definitely exists. Okay, it means geometric proportion for decreasing order generally exist. Okay, so what is the formula? So you can see S of n equal to a times r of n minus of 1 divided by r minus of 1 when r greater than of 1. Okay, so next one, S of n equal to the same thing. Okay, it means both are the thing. It means both will be same. If r changes, they is according to the changes. A 1 minus of r of n divided by 1 minus of r if r less than 1. Okay, so the next thing, s tends to infinite. Guys, this is not a s tends to infinite. Okay, this is s. Whenever they just give it means s of 50 means we can calculate depending upon the r. Suppose if r is given 5, suppose if here r is given 1 by 5 means it will come less than 1. So for this example, and r is greater than 1 means for this one. Okay, if s of infinite, it means r less than 1. Okay, that a divided by 1 minus of r. Okay, I think so you're getting the point. So the next thing, so a r square, a r power cube, so a r power 4. So these are the things that you have already known. Okay, just fold it. So you can see a r square, each and everything. So this one, so addition and subtraction of same value is not possible. Okay, so you can see subtraction also not possible. Multiplication and division by some constant is possible in this series. Okay, so it means before we just seen about the arithmetic proportion, what is the 3 terms means, the before thing I just told a plus 2 like that. So for the GP is like this, a divided by r, a and a r. Okay, next one 5 terms means a r square, a by r, a r square. Okay guys, this is this one I just wanted to tell. Okay, because a lot of questions have been asked in this, a divided by a r. So they will ask a divided by plus a plus of a r. So we'll give some value and they will write, it means they will request to find certain number. Okay, so next is geometric mean. Suppose if geometric mean means they just given like this question, it means like the question, and they would like to ask what is the geometric mean. So geometric mean is root of a divided by a into r. Okay, okay, this is a simple thing. Okay, suppose you can see this one, if n terms, this is n plus 2, this one calculation of r. So this one mostly there doesn't have, but while the question is being that, I will just come to here and I will just explain you this one. Okay, so next one is harmonic progression. Okay, harmonic progression. Okay, so harmonic progression is just an inverse of arithmetic progression. Okay, harmonic progression is inverse of arithmetic progression. So you can see if a, b, c are in harmonic progression, then 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C are generally in arithmetic progression. Okay, this thing you just want to keep in your mind. Okay, I think so you got the point. So you can see this one is there means, so you can see the difference. So it's been given the ulta, this is given the ulta way. Okay, I think so you're able to see this one. So 1 by 2 are in arithmetic progression, just inverse of this. You can see 2 4, each and every difference is 2. Okay, so now you can see what is the mean. Okay, mean of arithmetic progression you can see c equal to 2 times of AB divided by A plus of B. Okay, c equal to 2 times of AB divided by A plus of B. Okay, so next one they will ask definitely the relation between arithmetic progression A plus of B divided by 2 and geometric mean is equal to root of A of B, and arithmetic mean is 2 times of AB divided by A plus of B. Okay, so next thing, sometimes in the question they will generally ask what is the arithmetic progression geometric mean. So you just tell me the difference. Arithmetic mean is minus the geometric mean. You just put A plus B divided by 2 minus of root of AB. Okay, so you can see this is the answer, but it means while it means you no need to remember this one, because you would have already known about this kind of two things. While you just put, we can just directly remember. So, and generally what is the most important other thing is, you can see generally arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean. Okay, so I think so you got the point. So generally arithmetic mean greater than geometric mean greater than harmonic mean. Okay, I think so you got the point. So in other, you can see in this one also the examples is been given. So definitely it means geometric mean is root of AB, and the geometric mean square means A B, and arithmetic mean is A plus B divided by 2, and harmonic mean is 2 times of AB divided by A plus of B. Okay, you can see this one. So harmonic mean equal to geometric mean the whole square divided by arithmetic mean. So geometric mean the square equal to arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. Okay, sometimes question will ask directly ask by this. Okay, so the other thing is this also some of a quite interesting thing you just want to keep noted down, because this formula, each and every formula is important. Suppose if in the question if they asked sum of first n natural numbers means s equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. So sum of n natural is n plus of 1 divided by 2. Okay, suppose if they asked, if it's been given a square sequence, so 1 square 2 square means s equal to n of n plus 1 2 times of n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, s equal to n of n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6. S equal to n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6. But generally the first natural number n is n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so if they ask about the cube root means what will come? S equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. Okay, s equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. Okay, so you can see this one and this one there will be difference. This one take the whole square will come answer. Okay, so next one you can see sum of first n odd natural numbers means you can see sum of the, so just calculate n and n square. Okay, and sum of first n even number. Okay, sum of first n even number is, it means n square plus of n. Okay, I think so you get the points. So next we can just go and solve the problem. See guys, in the geometric proportion and arithmetic proportion the problem is not that much complicated, it's just our mindset. Okay, so let us see the first question. So you can see A, B, C are in GP. So log of A, log of B. So generally log of A can be written as 1 by of A. Log of B can be written as 1 by of B. Log of C can be written as 1 by of C. Okay. So so generally you can see if it is in harmonic progression, definitely the inverse should be in arithmetic mean. Okay, but given here is in geometric progression. Okay, what will be the thing? Just think of, think. Let us give a try without definitely 1 by A. So let us multiply 1 by A into 1 by B to 1 by C will be 1 by A B C. So arithmetic mean is arithmetic geometric progression is A B C. So A R square. Okay, so A B C, A cube R cube to A B C. Okay, so A R equal to A B C 1 by 3. Okay, so it's coming based upon 1 by 3. Okay, so let us see the thing. Let us think, because we learned a new concept. Okay, good thing. So learning is a continuous process. So we just took in a good way, but different approach we just took. Okay, A B C are in geometric progression. So this A B C, so this A R square. So the other thing you can see log A, log B, log C. So log of A is A, log of B is AR. Okay, log of C is AR square. So log A plus of log R. Okay, this one log A plus of log R square. So you can see log A is been adding. Sorry, log R is been continuously adding. So you can see it is in arithmetic progression. Wow, good question. So just a small concept, make here, and we will come to get the answer. Okay, so you can see next one. So find the natural number between 100 to 100 and 200 divisible is 3. Okay, so 100, 102 is divisible, 102 is being divisible, and 198 is divisible, 61. Okay, 198 is being divisible. So we don't know number. Okay, find the number of numbers, how much number will be. So first term and last term we know, and 3 arithmetic progression. So they're asking, it means what is the last term. 198, A is 102 plus of n minus of 1 of 3, 198 minus of 102. So 96 equal to n minus of 1, so 32. So n will be 33. Okay, I think so, got the point. So the next thing, I think so this has been a little bit quite complicated, so I'll just see the thing and explain. So 5 square plus 3 by 5 cube, 4 by 5 power 4. So you can see 3 common, 4 common. Okay, so you can see this to this, so it is given 5 square. So this to this, it is given 5 square. So up to 2 term. Okay, so just divide. So 3 divided by 5 plus 3 divided by 5 square, 3 divided by 5 power 4 dot n term. Okay, so next thing put a dot, and 5 divided by n square plus 4 divided by 5 power 4 plus dot of n terms. Okay, so you can see here 2 term is given, so we just divided one term. Okay, this term while you just add, we will just get 2 terms. Okay, just an addition, that's it. Okay, I think so, got the point. So sorry, plus addition. So now they are just calculate, it means asking us to find. Okay, you can see both are in which series, arithmetic progression. They are asking the total sum, so it goes to infinite. Wait, arithmetic progression or geometric progression? No, it is not in arithmetic progression, it is in geometric progression. So what is the R term? R equal to 1 by 5 square. Okay, it's been continuously multiplying. So you can see it is 3 divided by 5 is, we can just get 3 divided by 5 square, 3 divided by 5 power 4. You can see 5 power 4 is 625. So 3 divided by 625, you can see it will come 0.0 something. So at the end it will definitely be so much lesser. So what will be the value? It's R less than 1. Okay, so as I just told about, the sum of n is A 1 minus of R of n divided by 1 minus of R. Okay, so you can see what is in A is 3 divided by 5, 1 minus of R is how much? 1 divided by 5 square. What will be the n term? So n term, okay, n term we just put divided by 1 minus of 1 by 5 square. Okay, plus again this one 4 divided by 5. So this one is 4, A is 5 square. Okay, 1 minus of 1 by 5 square of n divided by 1 minus of 1 by 5 square. Okay, I think so got the point. So now you can directly calculate because the answer will come in a n terms. Okay, so you can see 25, so 1 power n means just same, so 25 power n. Okay, okay, so calculate, you will get the answer. I think so you got the point. So next you can go 7 plus 7 7 plus 7 7, so it's been up to n term. Okay, n term, so 7 just take 1 11 plus so this is addition of 10. Oh my god, addition of 100 into 10. This one, so 7 is suppose for example, or we can just take this one 7 10 minus of 3, so or 10 minus of 9, so wait, okay, got the point. So why I'll just putting 9, I'll just explain. So it's making a calculation easier. Okay, so you can see multiply, so like this if it comes, definitely do remember you have to multiply 9 and divide it by 9. Okay, so 7 multiplication of 9 is, in the 9 will go inside division, right? So 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus goes on to n terms. Okay, so now what will just, so how we can write this 9, 10 minus of 1. Okay, so we can 7 by 9 10 minus of 1 plus of 100 minus of 1 plus of 1000 minus of 1 up to n terms. Now we just categorize, so 7 by 9 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus goes on, we just put this one, so minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus goes on to n terms. Okay, so you can see now the difference. What is the difference? So this difference is 10, it is multiplication of 10. Okay, so what is the difference here? 0. So maybe here we can just put the arithmetic progression and here we can put the geometric progression. Oh, here n term itself we just divided. Okay, okay, we can just do like this. I just thought to do it in a little bit other way. So okay, first let us do, because we need to learn from the mistake. Okay, so here what will be the sum of n terms? Sum of n terms is n divided by 2. Next one, a plus of n last term. So here finding of our last term will be which one? Definitely will be 1 only. So 1 plus of 1, so 2n. Okay, definitely the value will be here n. Okay, so here the geometric progression is there. Okay, so what will be the sum of last term here? So you can see here r is 10. Okay, r greater than 1. So what will be the sum of last term? A r of n minus of 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, so a is 10 and the difference of r is 10 power n minus of 1 divided by 10 minus of 1. So okay, so you can see 7 divided by 9 10 n minus of 1 divided by 9. Here plus definitely minus of n will be. Okay, you can see 2 to cancel, minus of n. So 70 divided by 9 81 10 n minus of 1 minus of n. Okay, yes, we did the correct way. Okay, so here what they have just did is it means they have just put the, it means 10 they have just multiplied here and they have just made yes, yes, because you can see this is common. Okay, this is common, we can't break it. So if it is here 9, we can just take it common. So 7 divided by 9, 10, 10n minus of 1 minus of 9 power n divided by 9. Okay, now we just take 7 divided by 81, 10, 10n minus of 1 minus of 9 power n. Okay, now we just multiply, you will get the answer. Okay, n plus 1 each and everything will come. Okay, so this way got the point. Suppose the same thing we can just do for 4, 4. So s equal to 4 plus 44. This means multiply the same thing, 4 9 99 divided by 9. Okay, the same thing. Okay, that's it. I think so, you're getting the point, guys. The next thing we can just go, because so next question is a plus b plus c equal to of 9. Okay, find the maximum value of a, b, c. Let us suppose 3 3 3 equal to 9, or 5 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 9. So 7 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 9, or 4 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 9. So this one, 3 into 3 9, 27 will come. 5 into 2 20, 10, 20 will come. So this one 7 will come. 12, 24 will come. So 27, I think so. 27. So how we can calculate by this one? So so you can see here each and everything is given as a, b, c. Okay, generally if an addition is given means you put take a arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression greater than or equal to geometric progression. So a plus b plus c divided by 3 greater than or equal to a, b, c. Okay, it means 3, just put 1 by 3, that's it. Okay, so a plus b plus c is 9, 9 divided by 3 greater than or equal to a, b, c of 1 by 3. So here comes 3 power 3 is less than or equal to a, b, c. So a, b, c is 27. Okay, so next one, this will be tricky thing, I think so. So a plus b plus c equal to 12, maximum value of a square. So here it may be 6 plus 0 also 12. So this thing is quite challenging now. So we can just go the same. Okay, arithmetic is greater than geometric progression. So 12 divided by 3 greater than or equal to a square b cube c cube 1 by 3. So 4 cube. So 4 cube is 4 into 16. So you can see our answer is wrong. So it's a good thing. So how they have just did this, I just told arithmetic progression greater than geometric progression. But why is the most important thing? You can see a plus b plus c is 12. Okay, here a square b cube c. So this is arithmetic progression, this is geometric progression. So we want to make it equal. So you can see a divided by 2, because it's a 2 is given. So a divided by 2. Okay, plus b divided by 3 plus b divided by 3 plus b divided by 3 cube. Okay, plus of c only 1 greater than or equal to a divided by 2 dot a divided by 2 dot b divided by 2 dot b divided by 3 b divided by 3 b divided by 3 into c. Okay, so now it means you need to interrelate this and this. Okay, suppose for example this one into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 6 into 6. Okay. So into 3, so here 3 times of a plus 3 times of a, this will be 6 plus of into 2 times of b plus 2 times of b plus 2 times of b plus 6 of c divided by 6 divided by 6. Okay. Each and everything is been added means so here 6a plus of 6b plus of 6c divided by 6. Okay. 6 will be our so here if we just take the common means 6a, take it outside, 6a plus b plus c divided by 6 equal to this one entire thing. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, we are doing good thing, but somewhere we just did some kind of mistake, I think so. Making it equal greater than equal is definitely a square b cube c definitely divided by 1 to 8 means you are just multiplying this one. Okay, that's it. Just put a multiplication and we'll get the required answer. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. 6 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, 2 6 of okay, this one 6 of a 6 of a plus 6 of c divided by the whole 6 6 into 6. Okay, somewhere I think so we would have made any kind of mistakes here, because so let us suppose 12 divided by 6 and greater than equal to, so this one will just multiply. So you can see here 2 3 and 2 3 will be 6, so while just coming outside 1 by 6 will be, so a square b cube c 108 1 by 6. Okay, now a square b cube of 3 we can just calculate easily. Okay, so I think so got the point. Maybe the next 1 hour, it means next thing will be enough to finish this entire thing. I'll just again read this one and see and tell this one, and I'll come with an again the best solution. Okay, so guys, I'll just see you in the next one. Until then, take care, bye bye, have a good day.